All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a cute little sign for your waiting room. You make sure you sign in. Now, this is only going to work with the single sign-on through the district, as it will not work on a personal account. Once you're in your account, you go to settings and you go to waiting room, make sure that it's on, and then here you go to customize waiting room. And as you can see, I went ahead and I changed here. I've added my name just by pressing the little pencil, and I added my name to that. You can load a picture. I loaded a picture from my Bitmoji. It'll just, if you click the pencil, it'll just take you to your picture files. Now I am using my personal laptop, so I have the Bitmoji extension, and you would just go to pictures and add whatever pictures you would like. I have a bunch of Bitmojis there. I went ahead and I put one that says welcome, and then you click this little pencil and you can add another message. I decided to let my students know to make sure that they have their materials ready, to make sure that they're in the right Zoom, since we are departmentalized. But you can make it as simple or as complicated as you want, because you have 400 characters. And once you're done, you hit close and everything should save. And there you go. That's how you do it.